Hi, this is Hirok Das. In this video, we'll discuss about the engineering services previous year's question, and this question is from Analog Electronics in the year 2000. Okay, the question is: consider the following statement of Ziegler pair. So before we going through the option, we let draw a circuit of Ziegler pair. No, just read these options. Ziegler pair, it's called a complementary Darlington and acts like a single PNP transistor with very high current gain, and 3 can be used as class B push-pull amplifier. Okay, so Ziegler pair one kind of complementary symmetry. So let's draw the circuit of Ziegler pair. In Ziegler pair there is two BJT. One is NPN, and other is PNP. Okay, is connected. One is, let draw that before. This is collector, sorry, this is emitter, and this is collector, and this is base. Okay, so this is the Ziegler pair. Ziegler pair. So in which this is one NPN transistor and this is PNP. So it's called also NPN Ziegler pair. Okay, here the collector of NPN transistor is connected with the base of PNP transistor, and the emitter of this PNP transistor is act like a collector, and the emitter of NPN transistor is combined with collector of PNP transistors and acts like a emitter, and the base of first transistor is act like a base. So this is the Ziegler pair. It's one kind of complementary symmetry. Okay, so let's go to the option. First, it's called complementary Darlington. Yes, that's right, it's also called complementary Darlington. Acts as a single PNP transistor with very high current gain. No, this is not right for that, because there is NPN and PNP both kind of transistor. So option 2 is wrong. Can be used in class B push-pull amplifier. Yes, complementary symmetry is used in output stage of class B push-pull amplifier. So option 3 is also the right. So for that question, 1 and 3 is the right answer. So B is the correct answer for that question. 1 and 3. It's also called complementary Darlington, and it can be used in class B push-pull power amplifier. Okay, and always remember this complementary symmetry configuration. It's very important. Ziegler pair configuration. In Ziegler pair, one NPN transistor and another PNP transistor is used. The collector of NPN transistor is connected with the base of PNP transistor. This is, and the emitter of PNP transistor is acts like a collector, and the collector of PNP transistor, second transistor, is connected with the emitter of NPN transistor and acts like a emitter. Okay, and base of first transistor, NPN transistor, acts like a base. So this is NPN Ziegler pair. Its name is coming from the first stage. This is the NPN, so it's NPN Ziegler pair, right? So that's all for this question. And the answer of this question is B. Okay, thank you.